We're committed to growing Jersey's Evolve electric vehicle charging network, giving islanders peace of mind that a public charge point is never more than 1.5 miles away. We want to inspire a zero-carbon future and understand drivers need vehicle charging infrastructure that's available 24/7. Together, we can make the switch away from fossil fuels to help tackle the climate emergency. Whether it's a pure electric or plug-in hybrid, there are a range of chargers to suit all vehicle types. From a standard 7 kilowatt up to a 50 kilowatt rapid charger, from a quick top-up to a full charge, range need not be a worry. Simply park up and top up. Jersey Electricity stands ready to help drivers transition to clean electric transport. We'll continue to invest in infrastructure to support growing demand. There's never been a better time to switch to an electric vehicle and cut fuel bills while reducing carbon emissions. Join us on the journey.